first graders. All right, this week we're going to talk about how do we measure time. On there, I see a clock. Bet you guys knew that already. That's a clock. I want you to look around where you're at and see if you can find a clock. It may not look like this. It could look like a digital clock. Okay? Look around, see. All right, we're going to talk about immediately, or vocabulary words, immediately. So when you do something immediately, you do it right away without waiting. So one thing that I do immediately if I have to is go to the bathroom. You do not want to wait to go to the bathroom. So you immediately go to the bathroom. Next word is schedule. A schedule is an order in which things happen. So we have a schedule at school, don't we? What do we do first? Can you remember what we do first? You said morning meeting. You're right. We do our morning meeting. And we have our lunch count, and we do our check-in on Seesaw. So we have a schedule. What's something that you do at your house? Do you have a schedule? All right, we're going to read a story called A Second is a Hiccup. Okay, so while we read this, I want you guys to think of words that talk about time. Okay, remember, good readers always listen to what the words are saying and look at the illustrations to help them understand what the story is saying. So, while we're reading, your guys' job is to think of more words that we talk about time. Are you ready?
I'm going to read a story to you, so you don't have to do anything but read along, look at the pictures, just sit back and enjoy. The title of this story is A Second is a Hiccup, A Child's Book of Time. The author is Hazel Hutchins. When it says by and then a person's name, that means they are the author. They wrote the story. And it's illustrated by Katie McDonald Denton. So we've been talking a little bit about time. Remember that the big hand, the longer hand, is the minute hand, and the shorter hand is the hour hand. And if it's pointing, if the minute hand is pointing to the 12, then that tells you that it's on the hour. So if it's pointing to that, you usually say o'clock. I know that's kind of weird, but that's what you say. Okay, let's go ahead and read our story. How long is a second? A second is a hiccup. The time it takes to kiss your mom, or jump a rope, or turn around. How long is a minute? 60 seconds to a minute. 60 hiccups, 60 hops. Or if you sing just one small song, chorus verses not too long, that's just enough to fill a minute.
So how long is a minute? You said 60 seconds, you're right.
How long is an hour? 60 minutes singing by if you build a sandy tower. Run right through a sprinkly shower. Climb a tree and smell a flower. Pretend you have a secret power. That should nicely fill an hour. Do you hear a lot of rhyming words on that page? I do too, lots of them.
What rhyming words do you hear? You heard flower, power, shower, tower. You're right. And hour, those all are rhyming words. They have the same middle and ending sounds.
How long is a day? 24 hours by the clock, starting when the sun comes up. A day needs filling like a cup. Hiccups, kisses, songs, and showers. Lots of trees and lots of flowers. Breakfast, lunch, and snack and dinner. Play some games and cheer the winner. Draw a picture, read a book. Tell a joke and learn to cook. Watch the sunshine fade away. Fall asleep, and that's a day. How long is a week? 7 days all in a line. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the end day, Saturday, a favorite one. Some are quiet, some are fun. Work days, home days, play days, school days.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Remember the song for the days of the week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days in the week. There are 7 days in the week.
Okay, I want you guys. We're gonna stop right there for just a second. I want you guys to think how many seconds are in a minute. If you said 60, you're right. How many minutes are in an hour? Told us that too. Remember? If you said 60 seconds, you're right. How many hours are in a day? If you said 24, you're right. Do you guys know how long we're in school for the day? We're in school for 8 hours. That's a long time. All right, let's keep reading.
Sorry. 7 wake-ups, 7 sleeps. Close your eyes and do not peek. But you'd never, ever, ever stay asleep for 1 whole week. How long is a month? 4 weeks add up to form a month. Lots of time for things to change. Seasons often rearrange. Winters melt and warm to springs. Caterpillars find their wings. And if you fall and scrape a shin, in a month there's brand new skin. Learn to tie your laces tight. Learn to float, relaxed and light. Learn to count clean up to 10. Learn to count back down again. Watch the moon grow round and fat, then thin again. Imagine that. And all of it in 1 month flat. How long is a year? 12 months together make a year. A great big circle spinning round. Climb aboard. You're 1 year bound. You'll grow right out of your old shoes and taller too. Now that's good news. Sunshine, snow, and rain and squall. Winter, spring, summer, fall. Those are your 4 seasons. Twigs on trees grow leaves and peaches. See how far a whole year reaches? Tiny babies learn to walk. Bigger babies learn to talk. Holidays of every kind linked together in a line. When your birthday's almost here, you are older by a year. Changes come and changes go. Round and round the years you'll grow. Till you're bigger, till you're bolder, till you're ever so much older. I'm sorry. I had trouble reading it. And through all the hours and days, as time unfolds in all its ways, you will be loved as surely as a second is a hiccup. That was a fun little story. Okay. That's all for just reading a little story. I hope you enjoyed.
All right, so we had cake and rake, and those words rhymed. And then we had frame and whale. So remember, the WH was a diagraph. Ale, whale. All right, guys. Sorry about all the errors and that. I don't know. The video started playing. All right. Here we go. Let's read the sentences. Remember, we read left to right. All right, here we go. Remember, read left to right. Nate and Kate like to wade in the lake. I found a lot of words in there that had a long A. Did you find some? If you said Nate and Kate and Wade and lake, you're right. Good job. Those have all long A's. All right, let's read the next one. Brave Dave gave the whale a snack. So I'm going to read that more fluently to you. Ready? Brave Dave gave the whale a snack. All right, what are some long A words in there? If you said brave and Dave and gave and snack, you're right. I also hear rhyming words, brave, Dave, gave. Those are all rhyming words. They have the same middle and ending sound. All right, last sentence. Are you ready? Can a snake bake you a cake? Ooh, what's that thing at the end right here? If you said a question mark, you're right. All right, let's see if we can find some long A words. Can, is can a long A word? But I do see an in there. I see a glued sound. How about snake? Yep, it has a long A. And bake has a long A. And cake has a long A. Snake, bake, cake. Do those all rhyme? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Those all rhyme. Good job. All right. Let's spell the words. You ready? These are all long A words. Make. M-A-K-E. Make. Take. T-A-K-E. Take. Came. C-A-M-E. Came. Game. G-A-M-E. Game. Gate. G-A-T-E. Gate. Late. L-A-T-E. Late. Chin. Oop, I see a digraph in there. C-H-I-N. Chin. Graph. Graph. Boy, I see another digraph and I see a blend in there. G-R-A-P-H. Graph. Sum. S-O-M-E. Sum. Today. T-O-D-A-Y. Today. All right, let's read our sight words. Are you ready? This word's away. Away. A-W-A-Y. Away. Let's use away in a sentence. Are you ready? I went away from him. Good job. All right. Now. Now, let's spell it. N-O-W. Now. In the O-W says ow and now. Ow. All right. Can you come up with a sentence? If you said, I want to go right now. Good job. All right, the next word. Are you ready? Some. This one's tricky. It has an E at the end, but it's still saying right there. Some. Can you use some in a sentence? I would like some cake. All right, the next one. Today. Today, I see two words. If I remember how to spell today, I could go T-O and then day. Today. All right, how can I use this word in this sentence? I want to go to the store today. Good job. So you spell T-O and then day. D-A-Y. All right, the last sight word we have is way. Way. That Y is making the A say its name. So in W-A, that Y can be tricky, remember? All right, so we're going to spell W-A-Y. Can you use way in a sentence? I went that way. Good job, first graders. All right, last one. Are you ready? Why? Why? We have a w. Look, that Y is saying I in this word. It's pretending to be a vowel. So I. So how can we use why in a sentence? Why did you do that? Sometimes we ask that, don't we? Why did you do that? And we would end that sentence with a question mark. All right, first graders, give yourselves a big hug. You guys did an awesome job.